Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Abigail stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 1. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 2 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. You're going to skip 2 chains. Into this next chain, make a single crochet. Then make 1 chain, and then make 2 double crochet into this same chain with the single crochet you had just made. So all together it's going to be a single crochet, chain, and 2 double crochet. And now you're going to start repeating. Skip 2 chains into this next one, single crochet, make a chain, and then make 2 double crochets into that same chain with that single crochet. Skip 2 chains into this next one, single crochet, make a chain, then make 2 double crochets into this same chain with the single you just made. Skip 2 chains into this next one, single crochet, make a chain, make 2 double crochets into that same chain. Skip 2 chains into this next one, single crochet, make a chain, make 2 double crochets into that same chain with the single. Skip 2 chains into this last chain, same thing, single crochet, chain 1, and then make 2 double crochet all into that last chain together. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. You're going to skip the first 2 stitches. Into this next chain space, you're going to make 2 double crochet. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. You're going to skip to the next chain space, so this chain 1 space right here, and you're going to be making the same thing we made in our last row. So into that space, make a single crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochets into that chain space together. Same thing, skip to the next chain space, single crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochets all into that same chain space together. Skip to the next chain space, single crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Skip to the next chain space, single crochet, chain 1, then make 2 double crochets all into that same chain space. Skip to the next chain space, single crochet, chain 1, then make 2 double crochets all into that same chain space together. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 2 stitches and some chains left. Skip to the last stitch in this row and make a single crochet. Then make a chain, and then into the top of these last chains over here, make 2 double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project, and that is going to be how to make the Abigail stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.